A pendulum is hung from the roof of a sufficiently high building and is moving freely to and fro like a simple harmonic oscillator. The acceleration of the bob of the pendulum is 20 meters per second square. At the distance of 5 meters from the mean position, the time period of the oscillation is. So here one pendulum is hung from a roof. Let's just say this is the pendulum and it is hung from a roof and it is moving freely fro and back, like it is going this way as well as this way. It is a moving pendulum, back and forth. It is moving back and forth. So the acceleration of the bob of the pendulum, this surface is called the bob, which gets light towards the pendulum. This surface is bob. This is moving from pendulum at this 20 meter per second square. This is the speed of this bob, and it is covering a distance of 5 meters from the mean position. So for example, this is the mean position, the bob is going this way, this is covering the distance of 5 meters. So from this given, we can say that the acceleration equals to omega square y, where y is the distance which the pendulum is covering from mean position, a is the acceleration of the bob, and we need to find omega in order to find the time period, because time period is nothing but 2 pi by omega. So in order to find the time period, we need to find the omega. So from here we can say that is 20 omega square y is 5 cross omega comes as a value of 2. So we can say that 2 pi by 2, that is cancelled, and we are left with pi. So that pi seconds, or 3.14 or 22 by 7, whatever is suitable. The option here we have given pi, so this is the solution.